Oh, this is gonna be epic with tortilla. Tortilla and this. It's gonna be delicious. It's like a Mexican thing. This is gonna be epic with tortilla. I'll get it hot. Hot tortilla. Get it nice and hot. Yeah, it works. Okay, I'll make one tortilla. Okay, it's got really hot. Throw it on the plate. Take some of this mix. Don't know how much I should put. Maybe I put too much. Maybe I didn't put enough. Mm. 100. I think like this. $100 tortilla. Hope I don't mess it up. Kind of got it. Not perfect, but very interesting. Yeah, it's delicious, really. Wow. Thanks. And hot. Hot as in heat and hot as in chilies.